creating your Shopify drop down menu is simply easy. All you need to do is go to your products, then you go to your collections, okay? And right there, you can see a couple of collections that I have. So what I'm going to do is, let me just show you how you can create a collection. So you need to add a new collection, okay? Then let's just call these fabrics, okay, or whatever collection you want. Let me just say fabrics, and so okay, sorry about that. All right. So now the next thing you want to do is to, you can either, if you like, you can add an image here, okay. But as usual, you want to get a lot of products inside this collection, so you can just leave that, or you can actually add an image just to be like a cover image in case, like your collection card, okay, something like a collection card. So let's just add this, okay. So it will be like the collection card, like the front cover of the collection, okay, representing the collection. Then right there, you can either select products manually, okay, by you can leave it as manual or you can leave it as smart. So smart means if you put it as smart, you can actually, pick products based on the tag, maybe tag related to something, okay. But if you pick manual, you can select products. So I can be like, I want to browse products. So I can just go ahead, pick this. I can select products that I want to add. Okay. So let me just select a couple of products. Let me just pick those two. Okay. Then I can add them and now they are here. Okay. So now these are the products in this collection. Okay. So once you have that done, you can go ahead and hit on save. Okay. So this is how you create your collections. Okay. You can either use the manual method or you can use the smart method. So the thing is just that the smart method, you can easily just, it's very easy because any product that you've added the tag, you can easily, get products with tag to be in the same, collection like this, okay? Or maybe the additional information of the product can be in this collection, okay? So now this is how you create collections. So you can see now that the collection for fabric is already created. You can see right there, and I have two products in that. All right. So you go ahead, click on add collection again, and keep on adding products to your collections. Okay. So now the moment you have your collections done here, the next thing now is to create the Shopify collection drop down menu. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to go to your content right here. Okay. You click on content, then you click on menus. Okay. So now you can see some of the menus that I have. So, but let's just say I want to create a new menu now. So let's say I want to create a new main menu. I already have a main menu here. So what I'm going to do is just to create menu. Okay. Then let me just title this main menu. Okay. Then I'm going to add menu. So normally in your main menu, you want to have home products page. So I'm going to just say home. Okay. Then this home can link to the home page. I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to have, let's say products. Okay. Then let's link these to products, then link it to all my products. Okay. Then the next, let's now say collections. Okay. So I'm going to link these to connections. So I'm going to go ahead and collection. So I will link this to, I can link this to fabrics. Okay. But let me first link this to all collections. Okay. So now I'm not going to go ahead now and add a new, drop down menu under this collection. So now let me check mark this. I'm not going to say a new menu. So I'm going to name this fabrics. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and link to fabrics collection. Okay. Then let me add another one. Let me say pants. Then I'll go to collections also. I'm going to link to pants. Okay. Always make sure that you hit the check mark icon. Then I'm going to add another one. Now, please listen attentively here. And this is the last one. So before I move to the main part. So I'm just gonna say, let's say lingeries. Okay. So I'm gonna link to the collection of lingeries. So, and I'm gonna check mark. Now, what I want to do now is I'm gonna drag these three sub collections right there, these three collections under the collection category. So what I'm gonna do is, as you can see right there, I'm gonna long press this. Okay. I'm gonna long press and I'm gonna drag it under collections, just like that. You can see it's now under. Then these panthers, I'm gonna do same, and I'm gonna drag it under fabrics. Okay, under collection also. Okay, it's gonna be under just like that. Then this lingerie also, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna add it also under. So I'm gonna save. So now they are now under the collection. So let me just say main menu 2. So now I'm gonna go ahead now and save this. Okay, So now the moment I save that, let me go ahead now and test this out. Okay, so let me just go ahead and edit this header. Okay, it's gonna edit the header. Place. And I'm going to use the main menu too, which I just created. And right here, you can see we have products collection. So when I toggle this, when I highlight this now, the collection, you can see what it's showing. You can see fabric, pants, lingeries. Okay. And these are the products under those collection. Okay. So you can see them even highlighting the images. Okay. So this is how you do your Shopify collection drop down menu. Please, if this video has been helpful, let me know in the comment box. And please make sure that you like this video, subscribe also for more tutorials just like this. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye for now.